Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am so excited about the product today. This is from the brand The Skin Chemist's London, which I'm not familiar with this brand and I love trying out new brands. And this is the Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. And basically this seems like a lip plumping gloss, but I love lip plumpers. I'm always trying to give the illusion that I have fuller lips without actually getting lip filler. And this product sounds like it could do exactly that. It has peppermint oil in it, which I really love in a plumping lip product. It also has the key ingredient Volulip in it to help stimulate the production of hyaluronic acid. And this retails for $39.90. So here is how it looks. My lips are definitely dry right now and can definitely use some plumping. So I'm so excited to see the effects of this. Oh, it smells very minty. All right, let's watch what happens to my lips now. So I would say it goes on completely clear and has a very thin lip gloss texture. It is moisturizing to my dry lips. Right away, I don't get any sort of stinging. It's slightly cooling from the mint, but it doesn't feel like any plumping effect yet. It's also a very dull shine, like not a super high shine gloss. It almost has like a lip balm finish to it. I've left it on my lips for a little while now to give it time to do something, and I'm not really seeing any difference. I mean, my lips look slightly smoothed out, like slightly less lines in them, but I still feel a little bit of dry texture on my lips, like from my chapped lips. So this is not completely moisturizing, and I don't really see much of a plumping effect. Anything more than just like a lip oil, lip balm, regular lip gloss that is hydrating on the lips, because it like hydrated my lips and smoothed them out in that type of plumping sense, but it hasn't changed the size of my lips or made them any poutier. I also was expecting to maybe see my lips become a little bit more red, a little darker, but the color of my lips also stayed exactly the same. So I'm a little let down that nothing seemed to have happened with this. I was really hopeful and expecting to see some sort of results, but it's been a couple of minutes and nothing's happened, so I just can't say that this is actually plumping to my lips, and I was really excited and really hopeful that it would be. So if you've tried this, I would love to hear if it had any sort of plumping effect on your lips. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.